Hey guys, Dave V here with Factory 5 Racing. Today we're taking a look at some of our engine mount options. Specifically, these are our LS engine mounts. So a lot of guys are starting to put the Chevy LS engines into our kits. So we do have compatibility for that. The biggest misconception that guys get, and they get a little worried about it, these are not Chevy motor mounts. These are Ford motor mounts. These are the 4.6 modular motor mounts. So you see that on the Coyote and of course the 4.6 from the early 90s. These are an energy suspension mount. So the labeled energy suspension, polyurethane blocks in the center. So they give you all the support that you need, totally plated so you're not dealing with corrosion. They make it really easy and give you a lot of support for that LS. The biggest difference is with these, if you're doing a Coyote, you're going to put spacers in between. If you're doing an LS, you're going to get this bracket. We manufacture this in-house. This is cut on our flat laser and then powder coated. So this will match your frame. It also saves from corrosion and just kind of protects the part. And this is going to adapt to your LS engine. So you're going to adapt it on, and it should be super, super easy. We couldn't honestly make it any easier than this. This is part of your LS motor mount package. So when you're on the order form and you're selecting LS engine mounts, you're getting these 4.6 mounts and this P adapter. Unlike the Coyote where you need the Coyote installation, this is all part of that option already. So this is one option on the order form. If you do need these separately, you can purchase these from Factory 5 Parts. Give us a call. We're more than happy to help to get you these if you're either retrofitting an LS into an older kit or just need to update some parts. But again, these are included with the complete kit. If you are doing a base kit of the Roadster or Coupe, this is an upgrade option. Can't get any simpler than this, and it gives you all the support you need for that, LS7 or LS3 that you want to put in your Roadster or Coupe.